This is a message transmitted from the SCP Foundation. There has been numerous reports of a doll showing up in people's houses and following them. This is a highly dangerous entity known as SCP-99248. If you ever come in contact with this entity, follow these rules. Contact 911 immediately. If you have seen the doll for around 5 minutes without doing anything, it's already too late. SCP-99248, also known as the doll. It's a highly dangerous entity that has escaped. The doll will hypnotize you after around 5 minutes. After it'll eat its prey. There has been some footage captured of the doll, and we will show it for your own safety.